Hi everyone, today we have a master lock. It's a Pro Series range. Pull out the box. It's a 6327. It's one of the larger ones of the series. It's very heavy, closed shackled, 2 keys. There's your bidding right there. It's key retaining. Close it up, knocks the key back into place, and there you go, out, locked up. Right, I'm gonna get this SPP'd. There we go. That's the Master Pro Series 6327 SPP'd. I will see what's inside now. Try and get this circlip off now. Alright guys, circlips off. Bit too big that, so I'll have to use a pen. Oh, it's gonna fail, isn't it? Oh, fuck. Alright, I might have to just pull it all out, guys, but we'll see how this gets on. I don't even think it'll fit in, but we'll see. Yeah, unfortunately, the pins fell out. It's my fault. I've just not brought. I thought I had the right size. Plug follower, but I didn't. So let's see what we got. All right, so it's in order there. I can sort of make out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a 6-pin. So the back one was slight serrated. Don't know if you can make that out. We have a spool. We have another spool. Another spool. Another spool. And another spool. So we have 5 spools, 1 serrated. It's more like a standard pin, but with slight, very thin serrations. 2, one at the top, one at the bottom. I'm sorry guys, it's not focusing. My camera's pretty bad, it's my phone. I'm guessing these are our standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 standard pins, key pins. Thanks everyone for watching, and cheers.